Good evening and welcome to 200forexpips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 2nd of November 2018. Okay guys, I was quite busy throughout the week and I was not able to upload the analysis. Also, the market was not following the technical pattern. Okay guys, maybe I'm not sure at the moment, but maybe I will take a vacation on either on Monday or Tuesday because I will be busy and I will not be providing signals, but it is not confirmed. I will definitely confirm you on Monday. Okay guys, now let's get started with Euro USD, and I'm going to talk about the Euro USD downfall that we have seen today. The entry was 114293 was the bearish entry from my side, and 113738 was the target price. And guys, you can see that we have a big drop on Euro USD today, and the market finally hit the target price that I have supplied in my signals report. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. So guys, if you want to trade Great Britain Pound USD, it has hit our entry a couple of hours ago. The entry is already break. 129897 was the bearish entry on Great Britain Pound USD, and the target price is 128706. And guys, you can see the entry is break, and Great Britain Pound USD is making the downward momentum. And if it continues to be down like this, then it can reach out to 128706. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. Sell position was advised to the traders in the morning. Bearish expectation from on AUD USD. 072321 was the bearish entry, and 071622 was the target price. And guys, it has first of all, it has taken the U-turn, and finally we have a good drop on AUD USD. And if you have traded Great Britain Pound USD, then you must have collected a massive profit because it was a very easy trade. Okay, now let's talk about the strength that we have seen today on USD CHF. It has taken the U-turn from 100169, and the target price is 100572. And guys, you can see here we have seen the U-turn, and finally the entry was broke a couple of hours ago, and now USD CHF is making the bullish pattern as suggested. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound JPY, which has went up so many pips from the last few days. And now let's talk about this. I have supplied the bearish signal. If we go to the 4-hour chart on Great Britain Pound JPY, then you will see that the price has moved to the maximum. So guys, be careful with buying Great Britain Pound JPY at this stage because the price has reached to the maximum level. So be careful. I have advised the bearish signal, and we have done scalping. 146842 was the entry, and 145457 is the target price. However, the target price is not met till now, but overall, if it gets a further drop, then we can expect only a bearish trend on Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, now let's talk about Euro JPY. I'm going to take you towards the chart. So we already have the drop on Euro JPY. 129131 was the entry, and 128332 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have already break the entry from the top. It has taken the U-turn, and finally Euro JPY is down. At last, I'm going to talk about AUD JPY, and I'm going to take you towards the chart. The drop was supplied to the subscribers in the morning. 81741 was the bearish entry, and 80864 was the target price. However, you can see the target price is not met till now, but the signal has already crossed the 50% level of the signals. So if you have traded AUD JPY, then this is the big drop, and you must have taken the profit from this. Okay guys, overall, you know that when we talk about the trading in the end of the month, and when we talk about the trading at the start of the month, it's always tricky. Our signals are based on the technical analysis, and it happens during such days that the signals does not follow the technical pattern. So be careful that the first 4 days of the start of the month and last 4 to 5 days of the ending month are always very crucial. So always do safe trading within these days. Otherwise, when we talk about the market, the rest of the days normally it follows the technical pattern, and the market keeps stable. Okay guys, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain how to use the trading system. You can see the trading system is attached to the chart. Whenever you see that the market is gaining the momentum from the lower red boundary, if you see the bullish candles from the lower red boundary, you can buy the pair. And whenever you see that the market has reached to the maximum and it's making the bearish pattern, then you can sell the pair. And this is how we use the trading system. Okay guys, this is all about the today's analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all these please send your inquiries on info@200forexpips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.